Hello, I'm Steve Gonzalez with Smidget Enterprises in Tampa, Florida. Today we're going to learn how to fix a leak in a two-handle faucet. The tools required for this particular project are an adjustable wrench and a Phillips screwdriver. First thing we want to do is shut off the water supply, which is usually located below the sink. After turning off the water supply below the sink, we want to remove this plastic cover. This particular one has a Phillips screw. We want to remove the screw, remove the handle. After that process, there's usually a retaining nut. You want to remove the retaining nut from the valve and then remove the valve. Pull out the cartridge and replace this with a new cartridge. Be sure when you replace it you align up the notches so it's lined up properly. Replace the retaining nut. Snug it down. Replace the handle. Tighten your screw, replace your little cap, and then turn back on the water supply. And that's how you repair a leak in a two-handle faucet. I'm Steve Gonzalez with Smidget Enterprises in beautiful Tampa, Florida.